Alright guys, no bullcrap video. We're getting right into the meat and the taters. I'm recording with my cell phone. I've never done this before. I normally always have a camera. But I wanted to do a Copart walk around. I had some time. I'm here. So we're going to walk around and look at some stuff. I'm not bidding. I'm not. So if you want to take your guesses on what I'm bidding on, you're wrong. I'm going to go in, look around, just see what there is. And you guys like these videos anyways. So hopefully it turns out good, because I've never used my cell phone to do this, so wish me luck. Oh, just do one of those. I think this is a flooded one. I'm pretty sure it's flooded. And it's got a broken mirror. So a little fun fact, I've owned about every S10 under the sun, from regular cabs to the old square S10s, 4-cylinder lowered. I had a lifted 4.3 with a stick shift. These are good beater vehicles. What is that? And the damn thing has power. I didn't think it was gonna start, but yeah, and it smells kind of stinky in here. But if you want a beater truck, you can't really beat an S10 or a Sonoma. I mean, they're not good on gas by any means, but they're good. Is that a Supra? No, it's not. Are those Supra wheels? Somebody drop it down in a comment. I think those are wheels off of a new Supra. I'm pretty sure they were wheels off of a new Supra. Well, if you only have to buy one of them, it might not be that bad. A little bit of rash on that one. Ouchie. Honestly, that damage right there doesn't look bad at all. That doesn't even worry me. I do like these. I don't know if this is an actual F Sport or if this is just a gimmick sport that somebody threw badges on. I don't know the difference on these. I don't know that. Let's pop the hood and look. I don't know what these even had. I don't think there's anything special on them. They took the shift knob. Come on. I don't think this thing has any power. Maybe it is an F Sport. You know what? This actually is an F Sport, because that's a V8. And the regular ISs don't get a V8. I'll let you get this cover back on now. I really like these things. This is a nice ride. Sure enough, 5-liter V8. Freaking right. I gotta hold the camera. It is hot in this car anyways. I would love to start this F Sport up, but the battery is completely dead, and I'm not borrowing a jumper today because I'm limited on time. But if you ever get the chance to bid on one of these and you get it for cheap, they're worth some money. Do you like your Rollas well done? This one's medium well. Ouch, my freaking head. What happened, brother? If you're one of the people and you think that these Jeep trucks are cool, I can't agree with you. I don't like them. I don't like anything about them, to be honest with you. Nope. From one F Sport to another, I love the body on these things. I think they look really good. This is a nice looking car. I don't know what I don't know what engines he's having them, the newer ones. This one is a flood car, I'm gonna have to guess, because it is windows open, no power, moldy inside. But this would have been a nice car at one point. Talk about hot commodities right now, right here, right there. Oh my god, they don't do anything for me. But you know what does and uses the same powertrain and transmission? The Lexus LC 300? I could be wrong. I think it's the LC 300. Anyways, it's a Prius drivetrain. Looks like a Scion TC in the front end, and it is a hatch, like a wagon. Really cool. Good on gas. They're also hard to get a hold of. So I'd kind of like to have one of those right now, right about now, with gas prices. Although I'm getting 36.6 out of the Subaru currently, so I can't complain too much. This is the Jetta Thunder. These are also very good on gas. This one, I don't think would be really good right now. It's a little crunchy. Diesel prices are outrageous right now too, so I don't think diesel is the way to go at the current moment. You know what it is with me and white cars, especially pearl white. This showed the water line was really high on this car. It doesn't smell bad inside. The floor's dry. I really like these WRXs. I kind of missed the one that I sold. The wrong area, folks. I need to find a car that has air conditioning in it. Oh, this was a floater. Found one that's labeled as drive. Looks like a really nice looking car. I'm looking at different things, okay? Let's try some different things that I don't normally look at. If the AC doesn't work, oh man, quality. If the AC don't work in this one, I don't know which one it will, but we kind of got a void over here. Let's got power. Let's got power. Oh, give me AC. Oh, it knows it was in a wreck. AC, max, cool. Give me the cold air now. You son of... It's not cold yet. Come on. It works. I look... Ooh. A little dirty, a little sweaty. It's not a good look for me, is it? Quality. Listen guys, I don't hate Mercedes. I don't know, I just don't particularly like them. I don't know. Nothing wrong with them. Just kind of feel like an old man's car. I know they make some nicer cars out of my price range. But, I mean, I did just buy a truck. It was kind of expensive. If you couldn't tell by now, I like these Subarus. I like the hatch. I like mine. This one's low mileage. Not a bad rack either. This one's really, really nice. This is one that I would drive myself or get for somebody else. I don't think I shut that. I wonder if it runs. It didn't. The damage up front, it might have messed up the radiator condenser. It might not have. That whole core support's very, very light on these. I just said I was going to look at different stuff, and here I am looking at the same stuff. You know what? This engine makes the same noise mine does on start up. with 78,000 miles on it. Doesn't sound bad at all. Heated seats, leather, fake, I don't know if that's leather. These aren't nice seats like mine. This thing's not bad. I wonder if AC, I'm curious. AC kicked. Does it have AC? You gotta be kidding me. It does. AC still works. Speaking of F Sports, is it like F Sport season? Is it? What's going on here? Oh, snap! Look at that. The CRZ was small, but like this looks like a go-kart. I don't know. I'd be scared to get in an accident in something like that. You gotta be some sort of special to spray nightshades on your headlights. Ooh, this is a flood one. Back for more. This wasn't your mom's, was it? It's a joke. It's a joke, people. Don't take it wrong. Yes, don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Quite understand the scoop on this. Like, it blocks off this side. Or I guess they're just for looks, and then this lets water run out the front. Has to be. Yep. Alright. Something different. I thought from the front end of this Kuna that it was a hybrid or something. I was totally wrong, and it's totally dead. This thing smells brand new inside. It has 2,000 miles on it. That's just freaking, these are nice. No doubt. Oh. No runny, so I don't really care. This is a nice car. I like this one. Daddy likey. Ouchie. That would be a quarter panel replacement on this one. And about 50 airbags. Man. Didn't blow the driver's seat bag? But it blew, is that the passenger bag? I can't even tell. Where did that bag come from? Is that the seat? Completely dead, but man, the quality. GM has really stopped. Sorry, I'm hitting buttons on my phone. Yes, that's the seat bag. Man, those seats are freaking nice. I want a set of these for my Subaru. Does it got the crotch extension? Oh, with crumbs in it. Hood pop was a satisfying little pop. Felt nice. Ooh, oh, that's a downer. This gets the little 4-cylinder turbo. Not knocking it. This thing makes some power, and it looks really easy to work on, no doubt. Look at all the room in here. Like, you could fit a child in there. Turbo, all that's right there. Intake looks weird, but yeah. Lots of room to work in there. That looks mechanic friendly. I think I have time for maybe 1 to 2 more cars before I got to get rolling out of here. They got a job to do. I'm just getting in their way. Hot diggity dog. Oh my lord. Are those 14-inch hubbies? Ooh. B. Cat. Sweet. This one comes with berries. I'm gonna eat one. Stuck to the car. Ooh. This is a turbo V8, which you might be familiar with if you watch Rich Rebuilds. It has power. Should we? Oh, I think so. Oh man, this thing's freaking sweet. It smells good inside, but the seat. There's a short person who drove this thing. Oh, I don't want to go back. Will it even start? Where's the start button? Nope. Not enough power. She said nope. Alright. Guess we're not going to start that one. I'll look at it though. Let's look at this pretty thing that's going to be expensive to work on. Oh, look at all the room to work on that. This is a valve cover right here. And that's a valve cover right there. Talk about tight clearances. But I bet you this thing freaking rips. I'll never own one, but they're cool looking. But maybe one of these. Oh boy. Oh, I already have one. Why do I keep seeing more and more of these now that I did one? Oh, hybrid. It's a plug-in. Battery's low, that's why it's dinging. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the walk around. I just wanted to take a gander. You guys like to see the auctions, I like to look at them. I haven't been to one in a long time and I had the opportunity to stop, so I did. So, if you guys like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. Hit that dislike button if your mom just wrecked her Altima. And we'll see you on the next episode of Unwrecked. Well, hi. How are you? Oh, look at that stretch on him. Let me rub your belly. Let me rub your belly. What? Did you just huff at me? Oh, there's a little girl. How are you doing? You want to say bye-bye? You say bye-bye? No? Okay.